Welcome to Forex Classmate. In this particular tutorial we're going to be looking at inside bars. We're going to look at two working examples. The first being how to identify a potential trend reversal in the market, and the second example is the use of inside bars to trade a potential trend continuation. The first thing we're going to do then is take a look at a basic inside bar. What we have here is we have the base candle. Now this is followed by a candle with its high and low forming within the boundaries of the base candle. So just let me go over that once more. If we take a look at this example then, we've got the base candle, this is your high. We take a look here, this is your low. So these are your boundaries, the high, this is your high to your low, and this is the boundary of the base candle. And then inside of that boundary we get a candle forming, and this is your basic inside bar. So in this first working example, what we're going to look at is we're going to look at a potential reversal in the market using the inside bars. Now what we have here is we've got a base candle forming at past support now becoming potential resistance. So what we now have is we now have the inside bar forming, and remember the inside bar has formed within the boundaries of the base candle. So let me go through this once more with you so you know 100%. These are your boundaries right here, okay? So this is the boundaries of your base candle, and the inside bar has formed within the base candle, within the boundaries of the base candle. What this is now doing is it's just telling us that there is some potential indecision in the market. So let's take a look at this in a little bit more detail. So what we've seen is we've seen the market fall, and then we've seen a retracement in the market. And in retracing, what's happened is the market has now formed this point of reference, a potential support area. Then the market falls and breaks through the support area, and then it starts to retrace once again right here, and we see the past support, so this past support area, now becoming potential resistance. And what's formed at that resistance area, so past support now becoming resistance, what's formed? The inside bar formation has now formed. You've had the base candle, and within the boundaries of the base candle we've seen the inside bar form, and what this is telling us is we are potentially going to see a reversal in the market. So this retracement is now going to reverse, and it's going to continue in the trend direction, the overall trend direction, which is of course short. Okay, then let's take a look at the second example. You can see here that we're in an uptrend, and the market moves into a period of consolidation, a period of indecision where the market is simply moving sideways. What we now see forming is the inside bar. If you take a look at the example, here we go, this is your inside bar, and this is formed within the boundaries of this particular candle. So we're now going to call this candle our base candle, okay? So we've got the base candle, we've got the inside bar, and it's formed after a period of consolidation, a period of indecision within the market. So now we've got our inside bar set up, and what we're going to do is we're going to look to trade this as a continuation in the trend. Now we don't always see in this particular setup where we're talking about a continuation in the trend, we don't always see the market move into a period of consolidation or indecision within the market where the market simply moves sideways. What can quite often happen is we simply form an inside bar candle, as we have in this particular example right here. So we have the inside bar, and that bar has formed within the boundaries of this particular candle right here. So this is now our base candle. Once again, we've got the inside bar set up, and we would be looking to trade this once again as a continuation in the trend. Now, entering and exiting a trade using the inside bar strategy is really quite simple. I've set my rules, and my rules always follow my motto: keep it simple. There are two particular entry strategies that you can follow. The first is an aggressive entry strategy, and the second is a more conservative entry. Hope you enjoyed this particular tutorial.